the same time, I had told these people, see that basic guarantee. So now their apprehension is what we may not get business. So let the government or let whoever the department explain to them what is the pros and cons of it. Let them. Government is going to hear them, and the government is basically to reply to their queries. It's very simple.
Babush, every rent a bike be asa, they are making the.
तुका दिसो ना तू मला सांग ना तू प्रेस तुम्ही सगळे आखे गोंया भोंवता मरे. Don't you feel so? This is the problem. At least I feel this is the problem. Right, left, center. You see all this rent a bike and rent a car. You go and see on Pato. Now I will take you. 90% of the basically which the parking bay has been taken by these people. Correct. They have to basically identify and show them the place where they are going to park the bike. What is the department doing? It is the important this thing of the department. It's the failure of the department, basically transport department to this thing. The director basically should take care of this first.
कितली वर्सां चालू झाला त्यांचो एक नवो येत आसता. So what is the solution for this?
Issue म्हणटा ते बसोन सॉर्ट आउट करूंक जाय issue. It is not बरोबर आमदार मोदें पडलो आपूण तुका फोर्स दिता हें कर आनी मागीर फाटल्यान करता जायत्या जाणांनी केलेले आहा थंय तांकां फुल ऑफ तूं फुडें सोड आनी मागीर एक फावटी गव्हर्मेंट टेक्स अ हार्ड स्टँड मागीर आपूण फाटीं जाता. If you are fighting for someone, fight directly and see that it reaches its logical conclusion. I have raised this issue, and after raising the issue, basically they have stopped issuing the licenses to the fresh licenses. But what I had said, even last time, I said let us stop this in total rent a bike and rent a car. Now mostly in the coastal belts, you just go and see, you investigate. One fellow, I have got one taxi. Let us say, I have got one taxi. I have got 15 cars to rent a car. I have got 50 bikes. So what I do, I drive my taxi. I go around. I give one ride I make, and I come and sit down and drink beer at home in the afternoon time. Because after that I don't work because my other business is running. No. So these people who have got one taxi and who have got two taxis, those are the people who are suffering because of them. My issue is there. So address that issue. That issue should be addressed first. See, today most of the accidents you all have covered. You all are covering. Most of the accidents basically are happening because the rent of bike and rent car. They go through that app and all find the road. Sometimes there is no road only. Sometimes the Google also basically doesn't give proper direction. And middle only they start taking. Now you just tell me, a family comes to Goa. You must be seeing them. They go by bike, husband, wife, two children and 3 children. Who stops them? Police. Who benefits?
Okay. But app aggregator is opposite. So what do you like to see on that app aggregator?
See, I want people basically to have an open mind. First of all, you need to understand what is this aggregation. That's the reason I am saying if they give them a fixed guarantee. That Baba, if I am telling you if I have taken a loan and all this thing, I am worried that I must pay my installments in time. If my installments and all those things have been taken care of, then I have got nothing to worry about. People are worried because of their installments and all. Banks, the moment you want 2 installments, you fail, bank comes to lift your car. So I look at it in different but most important thing is what the transport department should look back again to visit their rent a bike, rent a car. Go on the bus stop. I have challenged them. Go on the bus stop now, right now. 90% of the parking area is being covered by them. Yes. They basically, while taking a license, they must identify where they are going to park the thing, not on the road. So government should take care of that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes.